Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pubg. So today I get the following one error notification after I try to log in my Pubg mobile account and it shows download error. Please restart the game or repair the download. And in followed by it also shows one error code. So how to fix this issue? And here I get this error message in my Samsung Galaxy M30s device. At same time this trick works for all Android mobile devices. So let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method to fix this issue is just install this VPN application from your Google Play Store. So once the installation process is completed, just click to open it. And then I try to start this VPN service. And it starts to connecting, so be patient. So now my VPN connection is made successfully. So I try to minimize this application. And one more time I try to access my Pubg mobile app. Because I check it if this VPN application is fix my issue or not. So I try to log in my Pubg account by using with my Facebook login details. So and then you can see now my Pubg character is ready to play. So now this time it does not show any other error notifications. So friends, if you want to fix this Pubg error code, you must install any VPN application because this Pubg Asia server is not working. At same time, if you use this VPN service, you can able to play this Pubg from your server or any other country Pubg server. So anyway, if this trick works, just leave your own like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Pubg, and thanks for watching.